How to sign out of your Google Drive if you have already signed in within your Google Drive application or on the web. How you can simply sign out of your Google Drive account. For this, I will simply tell you the thing how you can do it. Let me just firstly open my Google Drive and my Google account. From here, I will simply select the Google Drive in front of me and I will open the application in front of you to show you the whole process how you can do it. This is my Google Drive. I have to sign in with my Google account here, and then I will click on the right top of the screen, that is my profile section. Let me just click on that. From this, I have an option to sign out on the right bottom of my profile section here. Whenever I will click this, I will get sign out of my account, and then I will need again to sign into my account. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates, videos and reviews like this.